Welcome to another Zen pop-up. So in this Zen pop-up, what I want to do is show you how to create an email list. This is a question that comes up from time to time. We prefer using tagging in the system, and I'll be doing another Zen pop-up on tagging later at some point. So I want to tell you how to set an email list up because it's really easy inside Zenler. And then I'm also going to show you how you can use that with a custom form that we've got set up. Now you can draw people into an email list through people signing up through opt-in forms or any of the forms on your site. So let's show you how to do it. It's really easy. I'm going to jump to my screen share now and we're going to have a quick look. So I'm inside the dashboard. I'm going to go across to email broadcasts and I'm going to click email lists here. You're going to see I already got a list up here. I'm just going to delete this one out. So I'm starting fresh and I'm just going to click create list. So let's call this sign-ups. So let's go for newsletter, something like that. Let's click create, and now our list has been created. Now we've got nobody in there, so I'm now going to show you how we can add that to the form. So we have this email list all in here ready to go, and I'm going to show you. So if I click email list, you're going to see that it's there, you see. So we've got it, no members in there at the moment, and it says the creation date as well. Notice that you have settings in here where you could change the name if you want to. You can also edit it in here and delete it. So let's go into a page and actually add them to this list. So I'm going to go to site, I'm going to go to pages, and I'm going to go into my home page where I actually have an inline form on there. So I'm going to click edit inside here, and this is going to open the inline form, and all I need to do is hit the submit button and I need to add them to that list, and we're actually going to test it as well. So I'll show you how it's working. So once our editor opens, we're going to jump to the inline form, which we have here, and I'm going to click the gear icon for the sign up submit button here. And once that opens, I'm going to come across the settings, and where it says email list, I'm going to choose our new email list. Now if you have more than one list, they will all apply in here, and notice you can select all to apply this particular form to put them into every list if you wanted to by clicking here. So if there's more than one, you can pick the ones you want them to go into. But for now, we're just going to click this one because that's all we've got. And we're going to click save. So now we have this set up. So any user that's registering this via this form will go into that list. And let's test it out and make sure that it works. So to test it in incognito, I'm going to select this URL here. And I'm going to go into incognito mode to test this form works. So we're inside here. Now I'm going to enter my name. So we're going to just use something like John in there. And I'm going to enter a fake email address in here. Let's just choose something like 𝗖𝗿𝗍𝗪+222. And let's hit sign up. So you're going to see success down the bottom has appeared. So that has successfully been sent. So I'm now going to close this and we're going to check inside our leads. So I'm going to go to leads here. And you're going to see straight away that I've gone in there, John, David. Let's check our email list to make sure we're in there. So I'm going to go across to our email broadcast. I'm going to go into our email list and you can see one member. So let's have a look. Let's just click on that now and you can see that I have been added. So this is how you can easily add people to it. Now, any form or any place that people are entering their details, you'll have the option to add them into a list. Now, if you need to actually import people into a list, you can export and import, but I'll save that for another Zen pop-up. But that is how, using a custom form, how you can bring people into your own email list that you set up easily using Zenler.